Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is having an amazing day. As you read by the title, I did get a few things in the mail. I got some friend mail. I got a box from Base Blue Cosmetics. So I thought I would go over that with y'all and share my little goodies. First of all, I will say on my eyes today, I am wearing the Morphe 39S palette. It looks like this. It is a beautiful, beautiful palette. This is only the second time I have wore it. Both times I have very much enjoyed it. The next thing is I am wearing the Jeffree Star Extreme Frost Lit My Glit as my inner corner and a few places on my face as highlight. These are extremely, extremely beautiful. Great highlighters. So that is what I'm wearing on my face. I am also wearing the Lipstick Bullet from Ciate London. This is their glitter flips. This is in the color Cosmic. That is what it looks like. It is also very beautiful. And then Jeffree Star's Calabasas lip liner. So those are the items on my face that I'm wearing today. I first wanted to go over what I received from Base Blue Cosmetics. Now this is the second time I have received a box from them. Absolutely loved what they sent me the first time. They did send me a couple of their sponges. This is one of them. The other one, of course, is dirty because I work. And then they sent me a couple of pair of eyelashes. And they have the most interesting packaging. I love these. They store easy. They open really nicely. So your eyelashes are contained and you can store them virtually, taking up very little space. And then they sent me their big powder brush. Now when I say huge, this is a huge powder brush. It does say Base Blue Cosmetic or Base Blue on it. This is a 2-in-1. It goes from a powder brush into, if I can get it open, into a eyeshadow brush. So it is a 2-in-1. You could use this as a kabuki brush, or you can put it together and use it all the same. I do know that they have other brushes. I did not receive those. I also know that they have little hand soaps that are completely adorable. So if you've not checked out Base Blue Cosmetics, they are on IG. I will put them in my description box just so you can go over and check out the items that they have. So let's go ahead and open this box so that I can show you what they sent me. Everything I've received from this company has been completely adorable. I did keep the last box that they sent me, the outer container box. They're just really great, sturdy packaging. I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful box. This is the card that they sent. It does say Merry Christmas, Base Blue. Dear Becca, thank you for your support. Wishing you a lovely holiday season. So, I greatly appreciate this. Like I said, I love this company. They have some amazing, amazing products that you should check out. They are very affordable. Their sponges are so nice. But this is what they sent me. And I think it's just absolutely adorable. It is one of their sponges with a little Santa hat on it. You can see the little face inside. It's just absolutely adorable. So, Base Blue, thank you for sending that to me. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Along with the PR package that they sent me the first time with all of my other goodies. I do use these on a regular. This is absolutely my favorite powder brush. Their eyelashes are great. Their sponges are great. and they're affordable. So that's enough with that. Thank you again. I greatly appreciate it. The next thing I'm going to go over is some Friendmail. This is from Adventures with Xenia. She did a declutter and decluttered the Violet Voss Essential 2 palette. Y'all know that Violet Voss is one of the brands that I love. Absolutely love them. I did get the Essentials palette from Violet Voss in a BoxyCharm box. This is what that palette looked like. As you can tell, I have used it multiple times. I love the formula Violet Voss. So when Essentials 2 came in a box, I did not get that one and searched and searched. And like I said, she was doing a declutter and I had asked for this palette. So she did send it to me. That is what it looks like. I have not used it yet, but I will be doing a look from it. So with that, she can't just send out one item. She usually sends out a few items. So the other things that she sent me were from Clarins. This is a double serum. 2 power pack serums in one. It is the Hydro and Lipid system. It is just a sample size, but I am willing to try it. I've heard a lot of great things about Clarins. And then she sent me just a little goodie bag full of Clarins. So this is the Instant Smooth. This was in a BoxyCharm here a while back. I did not get it, so I am very excited to try this out. It does come in the cutest little container ever. So that is what that looks like. And then she sent me the Fresh Scrub Exfoliating Cream, also from Clarins. And the Extra Firming Cream from Clarins as well. So I will be trying those out. Like I said, I've heard great things about that company. I've never had any products from them to try out. So super excited about trying out something new. Then she sent me the Sephora Wild Wishes multi-use powders. This is for eyes, face, lips. Yeah. Face, lips, and eyes. This is how it came. It is from Sephora. And when I opened it, I don't have anything like this in my makeup collection at all. I think it's just a beautiful, stunning package. It does have 3 powders in it. That is what those 3 powders look like. And that is what they look like swatched. I think they're very pretty. I can't wait to use them. Let me find something to wipe my hands off on. So I can't wait to use them. So Xenia, I did get my palette. I do greatly appreciate you sending it to me, along with all the other great goodies that you also sent me. I'm super excited to try out some Clarins products. Base Blue, thank you again for the sweet little charm ornament. It will definitely be going on my Christmas tree this year, along with my BoxyCharm ornament. I do greatly appreciate it. So, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Please do give this video a thumbs up. I would also greatly appreciate that. And until next time, guys, that is my video. You have a great day, and I love you.